I am doing a little driveway cleaning today. Just wanted to flip this around. I'm pre-treating. So the pre-treatment is key. Whenever you're cleaning a surface, you got to put some soap down, and that's what I always do, and that's how you get good results. You got to think of it like if you're doing the dishes or laundry, you're not just using water to clean. So I always put a pre-treatment down, and it kind of goes like this. Just soap everything down really good. Yep, well that's how you soap a 3,000 square foot driveway in 2-3 minutes. But anyway guys, if you're looking for anything on the exterior, clean 561-463-6008. Alright guys, take care.